Hey guys, and welcome back. And if you are new, welcome, and it is so good to have you. And I hope you will hit that subscribe button before you leave. Today's video is going to be a Dollar General 2 off 10 for today and tomorrow. I have some more breakdowns coming, so be sure to be subscribed and turn on your bell notifications. So the first thing you are going to want to pick up is the Arm & Hammer Power Packs, and they are priced at $3.95 this week. And we have the $3 off digital. The Gain Flings at $3.95 with a $2 off digital. The Gain Laundry Detergent, $3.95 with a $2 off digital. So your total is going to come to $11.85. Use that $2 off 10, your $7 in digitals. It's going to bring your total down to $2.85 or 95 cents each, which is definitely not a bad deal, guys. So, as always, thank you so much for watching. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe before you leave. And happy couponing from my home to yours, guys. Bye.